Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And sorry I wasn't able to push out a video on Wednesday, but we got a couple of nice watch faces that's going to drop today. This is going to be watch face number 1. Now this one is nice. It's a minimalistic watch face. It's called Galaxy Analog 04. It's definitely a nice look. It's going to save on battery as well with this black background. Now in the AOD mode, you're going to get the nicest look. It's going to have an elegant look to it in that mode, but when the watch face is on, this can be considered a dress-up watch face or a dress down. I like the look. I do like the index. I do like the color of the index as well. The short hands for analog is fun looking. Now you're also going to get a nice long second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch, which isn't a bad look. Now if you look at the top, you will get your heart rate information. It also has a meter on it as well. You're going to get your battery info to the right, and down at the bottom you are going to get your steps. It's going to give you information on your step goal completed as well. Now if you look to the left, you are going to get, of course, your date. So for a minimalistic watch face, I thought it was a good look for everyday wear, especially considering that the watch face is free and it is interactive. So if I tap here, I can go check out my heart rate. Same thing here for my battery. And if I tap here, I can check out my step status info. Now, I believe this lights up simply because it's after 7. That's not a bad look at all. It looks a lot better in person. I suggest you guys go ahead and check that out. But you can also change the background. Now, I like this look. This one is definitely a good look for going out. Double tap again, and we got a few that we can go through, which I thought wasn't bad. But at the end of the day, it's all about you. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Have a great day.